How to use the subconscious mind to get what you want. Here's the thing. You're not using your subconscious. So if everything you've been getting till this point in life has been garbage, then you've been feeding your subconscious garbage. Don't be mad at yourself. Knowledge applied is power. Now you know you can do something to change this. If you've been working with the law of attraction and the subconscious, and you've been getting mixed results, you might want to check yourself. You might have a belief that this only works some of the time. Utterly surrender to the fact that the subconscious will faithfully give you back what you give it. Now here's how to use the subconscious mind to get what you want. Follow these steps, and you'll become a master at manifesting. I guarantee it. Why am I so sure? Because I wouldn't be trying to pitch you something that I haven't done myself, with an incredible measure of success, too. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us. 7 steps to getting what you want from your subconscious mind. 1. Identify your desire. It's not really difficult to identify a desire. We have them every day. All sorts, all the time. Here's an example. Say you've been walking or taking the bus. You're sick of it all. It suddenly occurs to you, a car would be awesome. Great. You've identified your desire. Now, please, don't dismiss it. Don't shrug it off and say, yeah right, it's not gonna happen. I don't have the money for that. Remember, there are infinite ways for your desire to manifest. 2. Relax. If you've been following me, by now you know this is an inevitable step. You want to be in a relaxed, easy state of mind. That is the state of mind that allows the seed of your intention to be easily planted on the field of your subconscious mind. Remember, there is no force involved here. Force is counterproductive. Think of your subconscious mind like a lover who wants the best for you, and not a slave to do your every bidding. 3. Imagine. See yourself with the thing you desire. You could even do yourself one better, see yourself years after having had that desire. Say, right now, you want a Toyota. You can take yourself much further into the future, but make the future now in your imagined scene. Imagine you're driving your more expensive luxury car, and laughing as you tell a friend how you felt when you bought your old Toyota. See how this works? You can play with this however you want to. You can just imagine having owned the Toyota for a year if you don't want to go too far out. Remember, don't imagine this happening in the future. Make it now, and make it here. 4. Feel. Feel the emotions that come from becoming a car owner. See yourself at the wheel. Feel the wheel. Smell the new car smell, rev the engines. Imagine seeing your friend beside you, loving your new car. Feel how it feels to watch them be happy for you. Recommended post: 5 Law of Attraction books you must read to be a master manifester. 5. Remember. Remember when you didn't have a car? Remember when you had to walk it, or bus it? Remember that time a car driving by splattered you with dirty water in the rain? Here's a cool trick about remembering your present, undesired circumstances as though they happened in the past. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference. It doesn't realize that what you're thinking of as the past is actually what's happening now. So it works to make what's happening now, in the past. A lot of people use this technique backward, and so often. And it works so well. Usually, it's remember when that pack of chips was only $1? See, that just hammers it home for them that things are getting worse. But you can remember a time when things were terrible, implying they are much better now. 6. Appreciate. Really get into appreciation. Appreciation for all the people and things that came together to make this moment happen. The people who make the car, the money that came through, or the person who gave you the car, or whatever. Feel the appreciation for no longer being a pedestrian. Related post: how to use gratitude to manifest your desires. 7. Let go. As usual, you end this by letting go. You let go because you know you have your car. You know you have your car because you gave it to yourself in your imagination. Giving it to yourself in imagination means it has no choice but to happen here, in the physical. You can do this as often as you like. There are no rules. When you feel yourself feeling down about not having a car in the physical yet, get still. Remember, your imagination is the true cause of everything. Remember, your subconscious is great at what it does. Relax and take your mind off it. So there you have it. You have the tools how to use the subconscious mind to get what you want. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.